On 22nd of May 2012, 4 international aid workers were kidnapped in northeastern Afghanistan by a group loosely connected to the Taliban. In the capital city of Kabul, NATO Command Headquarters dispatched a handful of MQ-1 Predator drones to locate the 4 aid workers. Meanwhile, negotiations between the kidnappers and the Afghan national government failed to progress positively, and eventually British Prime Minister David Cameron authorised the initiation of a rescue mission codenamed Operation Jubilee. Jubilee's objective was simple: rescue the hostages and neutralise the kidnappers. It was to be a joint US-UK mission consisting of 28 British soldiers of the SAS, 28 US soldiers of Navy SEAL Team 6, an unknown number of MH-60L Black Hawk helicopters, 2 US Apache helicopters to provide fire support during the assault, and 1 AC-130 gunship providing overwatch across the area. Additionally, support was to be provided on the ground by a handful of Afghan commandos who were to seal off the surrounding countryside. There are further reports claiming that a small number of New Zealand SAS troopers are also part of the assault force. This has neither been officially confirmed or denied by the New Zealand government. Over the course of the next week, this force assembled at Bagram Air Base to the north of Kabul, from where they moved to a forward operating base from which they would launch Jubilee if given the green light. The location of the forward operating base has, for obvious reasons, not yet been disclosed, but is most likely in the area I have highlighted on the map. Further, NATO command in the country, in addition to Britain and America, had intelligence agencies located in the city of Faizabad monitoring the situation on the hostages, potentially indicating that the FOB was in the area of the city. At the end of May 2012, the Predator drones flying high above the target observed that the insurgents had separated the hostages into 2 groups of 2 and sighted them in 2 different cave complexes. Each group was reported to be defended by 7, possibly 10 armed men. With this latest development, the task force was split into 2 groups, with the SAS to secure 1 cave and the SEALs the other. For those responsible for authorising Jubilee, time was quickly running out, and at 5 o'clock in the evening of 1st of June 2012, David Cameron at 10 Downing Street gave the green light for the assault. Boarding their Black Hawk helicopters, the task force flew to a designated landing site that had been marked by pathfinders, approximately